done easy. Even with DNA test, all that. Since you know you have
no, the child cannot accept it immediately. But one thing is this: you that is bringing that genuineness, truthfulness in the story, must come with that spirit of persistence and enduring spirit. Because why did I say persistent and your shock observer must be up to date? Because people will push you to the wall, to the point that you want to do what you have vowed not to do in your life. A lot of threatening. Some will go as far as going to your community, take your mother and your father's picture.
Exactly.
And bring it on. Yes. Threaten you that they know your family.
Say, Emma. Say, name impersonator.
Yeah.
Deputy.
This is bullet.
Azoka. Can deputy Noreba, no? Because yes.
I thought this is on.
Yeah, he's on.
Yeah, he's on.
Deputy Noreba Azoka.
Nah, center. Azu, you know go come out though. I like say na center him go come.
I will call you center. More than they talk. That's what picking I be for where. You know, say na red chief, two of them be. Only me wear black. This one a titled man. Mba all the more talk we no internet.
I don't know any shim ga blog.
Chief no dey.
Ana ma bia no come me say.
What are you doing now? You shorten this.
You again.
Okay, now, so these are some of the things that we are actually okay, these are some of the things we're actually encountering on the quest to get things happen. Let me have that your
question. Okay. Honestly, question ajụjụ nwere bara na ihe gbasara unu otu unu na dị because na that region I wanted that identity crisis, you know. Kedu cha handle because I'm ụfọdụ like onye no constant attack na awụ nwanne anyị nwoke onye enu ani cultural forum fortune because I want one emege attack na because nke pụtaziri na nke onucholo na ama ndị Igbo ka ofu nwa baga pụtaziri say no wo na nke a wutekwere m mara ajụzi gezi na ajụjụ ma wo ka ezi otu unu shi kedu otu unu shi handle these pressures.
Well, one thing you must understand is this: those guys who are on that mission, they are smart as well. They actually know their boundary. But sometimes we see some overzealous ones who want to act as if Nabu James Bond or Jack Bauer. But the truth is that somebody like me, I am not afraid. Somebody like me, I am not wishing myself on anybody that will threaten, that will want to come and fight me.
Yes.
I know why I said that. I am not wishing myself to anybody who is coming to fight me because it's only issue. The last thing you get is I mean it. I am not wishing myself on anybody who is coming to fight me. In that car, I am not wishing myself to you because as you come, you go get injury. And not be my anyway, beholding me, you already disarm yourself. So what are we saying? The pressure is coming, but we, because now we are showing them love. We are rebuking them, and at the same time showing them truth through love. Like the incident of Iseluku, when Deputy Jesus called my attention, he said, "What are we going to do?" I called him and said, "Boy, this is home. This is our land. We are not going to retaliate like the way they did. But what is there that call the young man and tell him, yeah, he should go and summon the boy. Can't go there with him before I am with outside the battle. Because now it's outside the battle immediately, they will blame that guy. Why would you put outside now without first and foremost bringing the matter. And of course, he did as we said, and the reverse become the case. So he is very, very plain and truth.
Okay, still on my question.
No, let me
Now,
let me
answer that to you. Kedi the kind of pressure in wanted from these people. Na how wonders. Kedi the pressure in wanted.
The pressure too much, yo. But it's just normal trade. Should I call it normal? What is normal or abnormal? Because every day that I wake up, if I pass 24 hours without receiving, your mouth will go bend down one day, or you know, say we need a settle score, or see a Barreto will go show you Curtis color.
Okay.
If I don't receive all those things in one day, you know, there's a day I received like almost 6. I screenshot it. Later, I deleted it.
One time is I go learn new thing. He said, body they catch it. Say you go learn new thing. I tell her, so I got no verse. I want to submit myself to you.
Make you show you address.
Just give me your address. Make I carry myself come. So that as a student, let me make I begin learn. You know?
The truth is that, like he said, truth without love is brutality. Love without truth is pretense. You can't love someone without telling him the truth. And you can't tell someone truth without showing love. Any of the two you do without the other one is gonna go the other way around. Exactly. So we have succeededly and consistently we have consistently and steadily shown them truth and love. That is why we don't preach war. That's why we don't preach violence. Like the case of Vise Luku, watch my video, I was saying, no, this is not about war. Even many times I've told people now, we are not making videos to great enemies, but we still want to set the record straight.
Exactly. And then if that record that we are setting straight will bring us enemy,
we test it, exactly. But because he that want to make a peace must also prepare for war.
Exactly.
That's how it's been said. But we are not intentionally grating the post because now it's your enemy. Just that because we will not say truth will set us free. Let's say the truth. Let you be free. Let me be free. It is only when we accept the lie, and it was the lie that are keeping Nigeria where it is today. Because the foundation of this country has been built on lies.
Yes.
And they metaphors it from the leadership of tradition to politics. And today, they still got, if you like one lie, you go use 1,000 lies to cover the lie. As day goes on, they keep covering the lie. And they still want Nigeria to move forward. So I keep telling them that the reason why we are making videos is for people to know the truth of the event. And everybody can now live peaceably. Because when you know the truth, you say, you know it and no peace. You understand me? Exactly. So we know that the pressure is there, but we keep showing the love, knowing fully that consistently, one day, they will come to, the Bible says faith comes by hearing.
Yes.
So we know that by the time they keep hearing it and hearing it, they will accept it.
Okay, thank you. Emma, from what you said now, we have this is not, in fact, this is not a, is not how am I going to put it? It's not a magic. Or what magic I name, that's what I mean. Or what magic? Is a miracle. Because miracle is an organic way of, you understand? You know, like you call it a canal or miracle.
No, exactly.
So I got nuzu, ubocho la germinate wa.
Exactly.
Now magic wo abracadabra. Abracadabra ya be ugbu and the one I diminish almost immediately. Now we have set up what we call an identity and a cultural revolution. What we are doing, because it is a miracle, it is not just going to happen now because it's not a magic.
Exactly.
Now that thing, onye obula na ega enti, onye obula wonye, ma wonye ka, ma wonye ukwani, ma wonye banke, ma wonye ikwere, eme ogekwa, o nwere ka o ga like ya because due to ihe kwuru, many years of lies, many years of that's an abale anishi. Ogala. chetugodi obere say what if eba na so despite his hate, despite her hate, o ga alagodi ga chase but ihe na so kwanu Igbo. As soon as Omen admit that a little that it will possess him, the truth will engulf him. That is how truth works. Now lies have traveled so far. For years, lies. But they say, no matter how far lies travels, the truth will always catch up with it. Now, what year are we? What year are we? We are not even up to in this unification, as in, you understand? Based on coming as a team, coming as one force.
Not up to 1 year.
We are not.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah,
now, but look at how far we have come.
Exactly.
The level of sensitization we have been able to disseminate, to put out there. Onobla na baziara, onobla na eku, onobla na aka, onobla nuzine think say gini na eme. Why? Stop them. Sorry. Stop them. But we are unstoppable because we have created a monster that will devour those lies. We have created a monster of truth. Our brothers. Now let me come back. It is obvious now from the mouth of that Onicholuna prince or what. It's obvious that true. The people that are presiding over that are the helm of affairs of Nde Kando Kwani, that's both in Ikwere, who is selected people when a questionable origin. They don't belong there. They don't belong there. So they are maintaining, just like
the status quo.
They are maintaining the status quo. They are maintaining what their ancestors, they feel their ancestors left for them. Are you with me? That is what they are maintaining.
Exactly.
But the people whom they have subjugated for years is like, yes, like let's say in Ocholona today, that you now as an Ocholona man, that they are aware that you will need, but in Onya Gana to somewhere. No, I hear me on Toshon. And then you were him, can you was around him on Toshon when he told you? Can you was a such thing? But they admit that we have you know, this thing, it is time. If you're watching us out there and you are from these regions, it is time for you. The time is now for you. Begin to question these things. Yes, you must begin to question this wrong history about you. And that which is needed.
Illustration. I'm gonna my friends name our office. That's a main one now. See, I say why I'm not to go tired of fuck shit. Sorry, that is on wrong word. Man, I like Ikuani. Roma can go in Indian and wine and I say Hada. Daddy Hada. You better go not on wine or gabo. Ina Kuiko, na Sulugibo. Or not Sulugibo. Tiwemia, Uduma, na Sumume. Take a useless songs. In my way, you quote the thing. When I now find out that people were always lying about my Igbo tradition, that change the language. So see, kiye ndi nna family with one onye Igbo, eji towa asusu Igbo hapuzi asusu ndi Bini. Maka nna ikoro tell kutinye ntiku maka when dey get munti na o we can say ilolo o ye ja pon deputy Jesus man icho ilo can say ilolo kiye nna mfa obuna nna obini ka mbo obuna onye Bini ka mbo nna mfa anuta onye Bini anuta nwanye onye Igbo kiye nwanye onye Igbo melu nna m mana nna m change tribal mark change change the dancing style is no more like Bini own. That is the woman. That means only here, only the ringing tone the woman named my father. my great grandfathers I change the say na all the position I na-enye nwanyi ndị Igbo na-enye our great grandfather dị egwu. That's why this na achọ m ịnụ nwanyi na-asụ Igbo maka achọ m na-akụ iko ka ọ na-enye ndị ngito maybe by the time he give me like 2 times now, he get change to another language. I'm not saying man, can't get out.
Surugede. Gumife, never know.
This very point. This very point. Excuse me. This very point, Deputy Jesus wept. It's very striking, very important because just like he said, I have actually thought of it. The woman does not only influence my own house, instead the whole community. What would you see? Change the language, change the culture, change the tradition. They bring your afia nondi Igbo. And the one funny thing is that let me tell you, the Igbo market is not an ordinary thing. It's a spiritual setting. Exactly. Because on we establish themselves in that settings. Exactly. So when now we're gonna change everything, I think Bini or whoever that's screaming that should appreciate Igbo women, and you have from one Igbo. Exactly. You should appreciate them and also always honor them. Do you know why? They made you who you are. You don't even know who you are yourself again. Exactly. Yes. They made you who you are. Yes. Imagine such a woman that means marrying from other tribe. Marrying from other tribe as Igbo. It's not important because those people don't have anything to add. Exactly. So what I'm saying is this. What I'm not saying is this point is very important, and we should look into it with every seriousness.
So the English is what you are confusing because when they speak this, they say corrupt. No, it's not corrupt.
It's not corrupt.
How can Hamina? Wait till the guy. No.
It's a cram word. They wrote it.
I know, but no. Let me hold him his own foolishness. Let me hold him his own foolishness. Let's assume that truly is your Hamilton. That means you are saying that the woman can't now go to.
That is
I'll send 2 of you to hellfire. So in the Kuna, how would a woman, because when you say Ohamiyoto, then corrupt on the cholona. No, it is not corrupt. Don't use word corrupt.
Influence is the better word.
Corrupt, yeah, no. Change is the better word. Change means that this water is aqua.
Or colonize.
No, this water is aqua. They change it to queen, but the same water. It's a name they changed. It's corrupt like Asaba to Ahaba is corrupt. Okay. You know, it's corrupt. But change, you can't say Ohamiyoto has nothing to do with Olomina. Igbo Binuzo to Ibuzo is corrupt. But change, Ohamiyoto has nothing to do with Olona.
Check the word now.
Check the word. They have nothing to do.
Different thing.
This is not corrupt. So
trying to coin it.
Exactly. And even trying to coin it to sound like say it's not corrupt. The English word is confusing you. So what I'm trying to say is that if this is not even corrupt, this is total hijacking your language, your name, your food, your tribal mark. And they always insist on that one.
Is lost.
Your tribal mark. And you cannot even identify your tribal mark we are having before again.
One thing again.
Then you are telling me that you are saying the truth. Guy, this is 21st century. This grey hair not before child's play. Now sense.
Now, one thing again is this. What about the Bini and other tribe Igbo men marry their wives?
Exactly.
What happened to that? Does it mean they don't have the Romioto?
Do you know the number? Do you know the number of Benin ladies that are married to Igbo?
There are many.
Do you know the number of Yoruba ladies that are married to Igbo?
One name no Chubo no Onye Benin. Abraham and women cousins Benin from all.
And do you know the number of Igbo women that are married to Yoruba men?
Exactly.
Yet Yoruba men retain their own.
Exactly.
Yoruba never turned to Yoromioto. All the devilish and mommy water is.
Hey, they go here. Big baller. Home moto. Oh, hey, moto.
Big baller.
No, hey, moto.
That is true. If an Igbo woman is married to elsewhere and was able to change everything of that community, their identity.
Their identity. No, it doesn't make sense.
Why is it that their own women married to Igbo land has not been
able to do it?
They even lost their own.
Exactly. So now that's the truth. They
even lost their own.
You see that point? So why do you? So in fact, like I said, our modern guests are falling Igbo people hand.
Seriously,
we need to look at it critically. If our mothers, let's assume what they are saying in quote is truth. Open and anywhere. In the olden days, we were able to change the language of a community, a tribe, an ethnic group to become Igbo. Colonize them without no gun, without no force,
without safe trade.
Without no safe trade. Don't want to hear me. We came here. Our guests these days need to apologize to our men because I am malo. You must speak English. You need to be teaching your children Igbo.
A very big error.
So that I get colonized. I need one day on Twitter space. You see, I need this and Igbo girls.
Can they colonize?
Can they colonize? Fulani?
No,
the Fulani. Can colonize the Fulani? But all this in Canada, not Fulani in Nigeria. Can colonize the Fulani in the next 50 years.
We can take over.
We cannot take over. Exactly. Because if they colonize,
they attack my page.
Don't blame me.
Don't worry, they talk
So you see, when I say this, I never made a video on this kind of joke, but I always say it on live because I want you to reason beyond normal things. See, people can document lies. We have seen where they have written stories. Yes, because you can write anything, prefer it, pay the printer, they print it out for you. So when they say Benin history is documented, or we have a history documented, fine, I can agree with you. Anything can be documented. But my brother, it's just like the Bible. We are still questioning it today. We are still questioning it even if it's documented. Even if it's written, according to you, written by an angel. People see they ask questions. Why is this like this? Why is it that? If people can ask God question, why you think that we cannot ask?
Why will this life end?
Of the internet. You know what I mean? So what are we trying to say? You need to
my internet, I'm not possible.
We need to start questioning this. And it was this questioning of
what's a life we end?
In 4 minutes. Next 4 minutes. 4 minutes.
Because we have detected inactivity.
Then they report them, so you go off and start off again now. So remove this one.
No, it's coming. Wait, no, it's something. The question is loading.
No, nobody go.
That video will come again. It will come again. Just don't mind. I know it's gonna. Yeah, maybe somebody.
My page is being attacked.
Somebody used a harsh word. Somebody used a very wrong word there, and they have to.
Anna report, yeah, because they go up steady. They see people, they make comments there.
Lie.
But see, what I was saying is that for people that are watching us on YouTube, yeah, what I'm still saying is that we have to be sincere. We have to. No, you go calm down. You don't really.
You say don't. That's the way you remove for don't come.
It's come back. You have to verify it. It's for verification. It's something.
Continue. Be talking.
So what we are saying is that I have read a lot of books. Me personally, I don't know about other of my comrades, but me personally, I'm a book reader.
You're a booker.
Yes. If they say they wear glasses, they for call me bookworm. You understand me? I was insulted by my own father. My father has book. My father is a printing press worker, a book binder. So even when book, they go find somebody's book when go their house. Do you get what I mean? So over the time, my father they help me say, I know Sabi book. Okay. So but when When I know my father began me to prove to my father that I know book, I started reading. Do you know that in the process of reading, I'm a science student. I read everything when come my way. You know, some people don't even know that I didn't read history. Some of my childhood friends are following me on Facebook. There's people that they went to secondary school. And some of my friends in university are following me on Facebook. And my family friends that are people that started calling me professor before I go to university. Because this name why they come and say Professor Broken, why not me give myself. Now the way I think they criticize them right from day one. Now I mean they say prof. And they call the sister I get gray hair from secondary school. They say you don't become prof. And I don't see your hair, you don't get gray hair. All those things. So that is the truth. But what am I trying to say? I read and thank God the word. So I've read a lot of books. I don't just believe what I read. I ask questions. Because it would be a shame to come to my house and see 1,000 books in the shelf. You understand me?
Read them.
No, read, but na nonsense. Ebolu nonsense, onye ni isi, onye botosu na onye agukwala akọ, na isi, onye me isi na agbaka ndị mmadụ. Yes. Asi na onye agugide akọ n'isi gbaka, maka nonsense ki na-egbo onye isi. Jargons, load on your brain. So me, that you record, that you write a history or a book, put on paper, does not mean that I should just quickly accept whatever I saw on your paper, on your book. I will ask questions. And why do you now feel angry when I ask questions? If you ask him, God loves a cheerful giver. Then say, do God hate a stingy man? He said, I don't have right to ask a question. No, I don't get right. That's why I use left.
Let's do it this way. You see, in all of this, you know, there's something I've come to realize that there is no way darkness can exceed or overwhelm light.
Light, yes.
Darkness can never overwhelm light.
Exactly.
You know, when the reason why we are talking, or the reason why you see us do what we do, as a form of enlightenment to our people, who have not by reason or chance or privilege to gain the type of understanding that we have. That is why we are doing it, is to help them. But the truth is that it's just like saving an information on a book, keeping it. Somebody know that this is Aquafina, but you don't know that what is contained in that Aquafina.
Okay.
See, you drink Coca-Cola. You know it's a mineral, Coca-Cola, but you don't know the content.
Yeah, I understand.
So whatsoever information you get concerning that Coca-Cola, you will accept it because you don't know it.
You don't know it. Yeah.
And if by tomorrow somebody want to tell you that information you have about this Coca-Cola is not true, you will see that person as
enemy of progress.
Who be this one? Who be this one?
Exactly.
Now wait till you go talk. That is what is just happening. Our youth are able men and women who are actually fighting this cause of unity. They are not doing that because there's so much maybe there's so much hate in the Igbo. But I've come to realize that majority of them think they are defending truth.
Okay.
Yes, they do that. Yeah, they do that. They do that.
I accept that.
Yeah.
I accept that conclusion.
No, they do that thinking that they are defending truth.
They are the one on the side of the
yes,
right.
But that is why I always come up and say, see, calm down. Don't allow biasness to take the better part of you. Because that biasness will never allow you to use your common sense.
To think, yes.
Because before the picture will come, you have already run into conclusion. Because you have run into conclusion, the means to break down that thing is no more there.
It's no more there, yeah, it's true.
It's no more there. So that is what our people are suffering. Anybody you see today now from Enu and Anioma, or anybody you see now from Ikwere today, and you are telling him or her that Ikwere are one with Egbema in Imo State, Ikwere are one with Mbise and all that, because they share the same cultural background and traditional background, you know, coming to the place of their language.
Yeah.
The person will tell you, hey, do you know why they are doing that? The person, maybe she's 30, she's 40, or 50. But mind you, that this narrative of denial, I be this, did not start last year. This has lasted for about 5 decades, which is 50 years.
More than?
No, let's put it 50.
Okay.
I am taking after the Civil War.
Okay, yeah, okay.
You understand me now? I'm taking after the Civil War. So anybody you are talking to that has lived with that narrative for 50 years, uninterrupted, unquestioned, unchallenged,
yes.
And you are coming up today to tell him, no, you are not from here. This thing is not true. This is, you think the person will just say, oh, thank you. He's not going to be so.
Unless it's kind of person that already question.
Maybe the person has asked that question before you.
Before now. Question his whereabouts.
Question his whereabouts. If the person has not done that, bringing that question or bringing that narrative that this is the true story, you will be an enemy, because the person will do everything humanly possible to preserve and to defend
what he knows.
That is what we are suffering today. But that is why I don't usually fall apart with people on the social media. Even those who lay curse on me, even those who call me name, I don't fight them, because this conclusion is what I'm working on.
I give
you time to actually reason whatsoever we are discussing.
Yeah.
But one thing is this: if you are listening to me on this live broadcast that is coming to you live from IGBO Kingdom, Aguleri, listen and listen very carefully. Don't accept my preaching tonight, but I'm giving you a key point that you should work with on your own. Work with these 2 points on your own. Then return back and tell me your findings. Now, I have accepted that what you are saying is truth, but I want you to come down and say, okay, if truly I am from this place, why is it that we don't share the same traditional background?
Exactly.
Because this is one of the first things that was transferred from our forefathers to us.
Exactly.
They never gave us estate. Our forefathers never handed estate over to us. They never handed money in the bank to us.
Exactly.
The things that were handed over to us was our traditional values and heritage.
Exactly.
So when you look at those things and what is obtainable with you, check those people. What is obtainable with them? Then come back and check those ones you are rejecting. Check what is obtainable or with them. Then sum these 3 up. Give your judgment.
Exactly.
Give your judgment. Now, do it traditionally, culture, do it your language. Look at
more especially spiritually.
Yeah. No, you can, when we talk about the song, the tradition goes in that
if you go spiritual,
if you call it spiritual,
Nigerians will run away.
It will look so
from pagan angle.
No. Why I say spiritual
No.
is this? I see. Why I say spiritual, what is this? Most of Igbo tradition is deeply connected to Igbo spirituality.
But let me tell you something.
We know that.
Let me tell you something.
They go share from pagan angle.
Let me tell you something.
Am I repeating words? No,
Let me tell you something. Wait, hold on.
I'm with you.
When you say spiritual, mind you, with an understanding, you know that life itself is also a journey of spirit.
Exactly.
But when you tell people spiritual, it will be very difficult to comprehend. Because your culture, your way of life,
is even
your day-to-day activities
is
also connected to what you just mentioned.
It's spiritual.
It's spiritual.
Spiritual.
So when you use the word spiritual, people will not begin to think it's something,
one mysterious
thing. It's not. It's not one mysterious thing. So look at those things, then come back and tell me that this is who I am or this is who I am not.
Asamoah, are you asking this question from Ghana? He said, I want to become Igbo. I don't know why I love the culture.
We accept you.
There are 2 ways.
Marry a woman.
That's why I say there are 2 ways. If na man you be, marry a woman. If na woman you be, marry our man.
And one advantage for the woman is you marry a woman, It's not only you, it will not only convert you, convert the whole community.
You convert
all of people to become Igbo.
If you be man, whether a woman, you go change all your culture, in your village, everything.
Everything your tradition.
And go become Igbo. Now what we dey discuss here? How the ancient Igbo women converted our people language. So you might actually be one of us at the end of the day. Okay, so I'm a man from Ghana. Okay, we have a Ghana fan from here, and he say he love Igbo culture. Thank you very much, Asamoah. Igbo culture is lovely.
So what we are saying here is that there are so many things that actually there for us. Did you actually recognize them? One thing is this: we are calling for the Igbo unity. Now, if you are able to check those things we just highlighted, now the next question is, okay, what agenda did you have by calling in the Igbo to be united? Now, if that is the question you're asking me, you are not telling me you are this, you are that. I think I will sit down
and explain
and have a good conversation with you. How did I mean? A vision can be communicated. When you have a vision, that vision can be communicated
exactly
to another person.
To another person, the vision can be communicated. And that is why whenever we talk business, whenever we talk marriage, whenever we talk transactions, what we're actually doing is
selling of the vision.
Selling of the vision, and at the same time, we are aligning our spirits, just as what he said, together, because when we communicate, our inner mind absorb and digest, giving us the same equation. That is what normally gives birth to agreement. And whenever agreement is birth, business is concluded. Success is meant. You understand me now? So you, my brother, what I want us to do, let us stop fighting ourselves on the social media. Let us begin to discuss and begin to ask ourselves questions. I think it's going to help us than fighting.
Yes.
Like this young man that went to Iseluku to fight one of us. You see that he has made a mistake, even if he has a good cause. Because of that action, because of that action,
Yes.
he has fallen short of so many things.
Yes.
Those who supposed to who supposed to be sympathizing with him are now against him because of that violence. There are people, no matter how they disagree with you, they don't believe in violence. Instead of violence, they walk away. So such people, we tell you,
Somebody
am not
said
involved.
they need strong representation in Edo and Azoka.
Somebody saying it somewhere.
Yeah, read that.
So we in Edo need a strong representative.
The word
The one Ekpo and our people are the other side.
Waiting they do here.
Hey,
Send me 500,000. I go buy the phone.
Hey, sorry that we are posting people on TikTok. Please,
I need phone.
we are double checking and double tracking different people. Hey, from the YouTube is saying that we need strong. Okay, hey, I want to know because
I will end
come you
tell us say no me. The person know me. Tell us say
no, Professor Soka. Ntima afa na zabla fibo ba.
Ogun.
Mama mi fi kuna. Wọ́n na echekwa no afọ bi ni ka ogba. Okay, so na
So here in the kuna anyị chi ọkụ. Onye amazi
Ezumezuru TV.
Ezumezuru TV.
Yeah.
Ozi gịnị?
Na my entertainment.
Oh, onye nwe ebe a, the guy na-arụ ya na. Mụ na ya na-akpa nkata na o so na chite ka o je waro na ya.
We are here.
Okay, yeah. We finish a comment.
So, you know,
I be the baby now to finish here.
Because
this kind of life the from any other life.
I'm a life now Twitter. From 10 in the night till 6 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, this is
My life
Twitter
space.
space, eh?
Twitter space.
Twitter space.
you can't name him. Ike ukwana.
Hey, host to Muna. Before you made 1 million match for this Anyama State Grade.
Ndị Igbo ndị ọma ụnụ anakwa ahụ ihe na-eme ebe a. Na-esonyere na anyị.
Twitter crash.
Na-esonyere na anyị na-enyekwanụ na anyị ihe na-enyekwanụ na anyị ego dollar sign na 00 ya. Ya, unu nye anyị ego ọ dị batch. Kwabena Asamoah onye Ghana ọ sị I want to become Igbo. I don't know why I love their culture. All right, bro. You have... Okay, I'm sorry. One
What the fuck, man?
Ndị Igbo ndị ọma ke unu biko na-enye unu ka anyị na-ebi gift. Na-enye na ego na-enye ego. No, see, let me tell you something. Yeah, no, ebe ka ha sị m nọrọ. Igbo ndị ọma biko nụ na-eti inu yes biko gifts when you give gifts this ministry can grow give gifts you cannot come and be na front line na front line the only way you can support them is to give them something gift them so that this thing can be uche the bad uche bụ gịnị uche bụ something onye mbiko
ọ bụ naanị uche Twitter ọkwa kogi Igbo kogi scroll down ọ bụ na onye nwa
uche something but ọ na-enye biko na-eti nabata na mmadụ lee ga-anabata okay talking for yourselves biko ka a na-eti ihe
we can't flow again.
Okay.
No one will talk. I think never.
He said my dad is from Igbo, my mother is from Benin, but I too love him.